now let's talk about types of partners. The first type of partner is a general partner. A general partner is one in which has contributed its own capital to the establishment of the partnership business, and also it takes full parts in the operation of the business. And also we have a limited partner. A limited partner's liability in a company is determined by the capital he or she invested in the business. Also we have an ordinary or an active partner. He also performs a similar duty to a general partner. An ordinary partner contributes his own quota to the establishment of the business, and also his liabilities are also unlimited, just like the general partner. Then we have the sleeping or the dormant partner. With the name as it implies, the sleeping or dormant partner is one in which has contributed capital but doesn't take active part in the running of the business. Then we have a nominal or apparent partner. A nominal partner is not an official partner in the business but identifies with such business. Then quasi-partner can be defined as a partner that has retired from the partnership business but left his capital in the business even after retirement. In our next video, we'll be talking about the advantages, the disadvantages, source of capital, and the dissolutions of partnership.